When creating a drawing that has multiple drawing views, the sheet can get cluttered and become difficult to read. The ultimate goal of clearing up the drawing views would be to move some views to a different sheet for more clarity. This could be done manually by recreating the view on another sheet or copying and pasting the view. But either way, the original view would have to be deleted. What if we could move the original view from one sheet to another? Let's find out how in this 2-minute tech tip. To move a drawing view from one sheet to another, first, make sure you have another sheet created where you want that view to go. Navigating to the drawing view that needs to be moved, ensure that this is the active sheet. When selecting on the drawing view, it will highlight in the feature tree. Click and drag the drawing view from the feature tree and place the view on top of the new drawing sheet. When you let go, the drawing will move to the new sheet. By activating the new sheet, we can see the drawing view is sized and positioned the same as it was on the original sheet. It can be resized and positioned if needed. This saves time instead of recreating views or copying and pasting drawing views when the original view is not needed. If you liked this video, please be sure to check out our SolidWorks Drawings course. Thanks for watching.